Welcome to beautiful Wichita, Kansas, the most slept on tourist destination. Sure, other places have beautiful beaches, beautiful mountain views. When you live in Wichita, you don't even have to worry about hills. You just have blistering winds, snowstorms overnight that kill the power to your house, that are also thunder and lightning storms with freezing ice balls coming down. It's awesome. You've got amazing cuisine. We've got snow shovel shortages and cleared out shelves at the grocery stores because everyone's buying all the water and toilet paper. And who could forget Town West Mall, if there's power. Visit Wichita.